Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team and this is the DJI Osmo Mobile 4. You know it's going to be a great day when a DJI box ends up on your doorstep, so no time to dilly-dally, let's crack this bad boy open. It's still the same foldable and lightweight design as with the Osmo Mobile 3, but with one massive noticeable difference: the phone clamp. Arguably the most important part, as this is how you're actually going to attach your phone to your gimbal. Rather than the traditional clampy grip thing, which if I'm honest was always a bit of a struggle to fit your smartphone into to avoid it touching any of the buttons, they've gone for this really small form-factored grip clamp, which looks a lot nicer than anything I've ever seen for a smartphone gimbal, but also means that you can now attach it to your phone underneath all of those buttons, so you're not impairing yourself or your controls from your phone in any way. So if you're constantly worried about turning your phone on and off while using the Osmo, don't be, you don't have this problem anymore. Now if you're wondering how you attach this to your gimbal, then let me tell you. You are probably just going to feel like Thanos with his Infinity Gauntlet, because 1, 2, 3, it's magnetic. How cool is that? Cool and functional, I should add, because now it has never been quicker and simpler to attach your phone to your gimbal so you can start creating wherever you are. To add to that ease of use, the 3-axis stabilization has been upgraded. You've got a stronger motor, stronger torque, which means there is easier balancing and better stabilization for you. So what does that mean from your point of view? Well, the stronger motor means that you no longer need to spend time making sure that you've correctly balanced your phone. You just attach, turn on and go. That stronger motor is going to do that balancing for you. If you want a user experience which is even quicker to attach your phone, then in the box, DJI also supply you with a magnetic phone ring. Now this little thing takes away the need for the clampy grip. All you need to do is position that on the back of your phone, and it's practical enough to leave there and use as a normal grip. And if I'm being honest, it's pretty swanky looking, so what's not to love about that? You will also need to make sure that this is positioned in the center of your phone, on the back. And DJI clearly thought about that because they have provided you with an alignment guide in the box too. Follow this guide and you are golden. Worried about just having your phone connected via a magnet? Well, don't be. It is a super strong magnet, so your phone is locked in place. And on the clamp, you've also got a sensor to let you know when it's locked in place on the gimbal too. Control-wise, it's no different to any of the other Osmo mobiles. We've still got this multi-functional trigger just on the back here. On the front of your gimbal, you've got your shutter button. Now this will stop recording your videos or enable you to take your photos. The M button just here is also your power button, but this is a multi-purpose too. One touch of that will flick you between video or photo mode, or vice versa. A double tap will take you from landscape or portrait orientation, and if you press and hold for a beep, you'll enter into standby mode, so power saving, and if you press and hold for a double beep, that will either fully turn off or on your gimbal. And then finally, you have got your zoom trigger on the side here, which will enable you to zoom. So what features have we got once we're in the app? Well, all the ones you'd usually expect to find on an Osmo Mobile, such as Active Track. It's 3.0, which actually follows children and pets a lot closer and more accurately. And then you've also got motion lapse, hyperlapse, time lapse and slow motion for that added creativity and cinematic feel when it comes to your landscape views. But the one I'm most excited about is dynamic zoom. And this is brand new for the Osmo Mobile 4, and it gives you that really cinematic dolly zoom effect, just like you can get on the Mavic 2 Zoom. It looks insane and I can't wait to go and test that out somewhere a lot more picturesque than my dining room. But that's not all. We've also got gesture control, which is going to make solo filming so much easier. You'll be able to start, stop recording and recompose your shots all with a gesture. Now this is definitely a feature that I am super keen to try out for you guys. Hope you've enjoyed our first look, and if you'd like to find out any more information on the DJI Osmo Mobile 4, then head on over to jessops.com now, or pop into your local store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. Now before I go, don't forget to hit subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. And that includes getting a notification to let you know when our real world test goes live. And that is a video you do not want to miss. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you on the next one.